Hello everyone, welcome back to another video brought to you by Dana's Electrical Services. And in today's video, I will be reviewing the Cerakote ceramic coatings ceramic headlight restoration kit. And this one says no tools required. It says it's a professional ceramic coating, which is a complete car kit and superior UV protection. And inside this kit there are 8 oxidization remover wipes, 1 surface prep pad, uh, 4 surface prep discs, 2 ceramic clear coating wipes, and 4 application gloves. And they show a before and after picture there. You know they are going to emphasize on that, or exaggerate, whichever one. You have a QR code that you can scan, and that is very helpful. I scan it and watch the directional or instructional video, the instruction video, and it states the instruction clearly. And it says this one you can restore your headlight using 3 easy steps. So first you remove the oxidization, you prepare the surface, and then you apply the ceramic coating. There are a little emphasis on the different steps. But let's pull it and see what's inside. This says step 2, so I guess this is the what we use and prepare the surface. Also we have, so this is step 3. This is step 3, as you can see. It is the ceramic clear coating, and this is 2 of them, 1 for each headlight. Next in our box we have step 1, and this is the oxidization remover. We have 4, so I guess this is 4 wipes, and there are 4 more inside the box, so that's a total of 8 wipes, 4 for one headlight and 4 for the next. And this is the instruction that you will use to restore our headlight. Right, so we're going to go through the step-by-step instruction and restore this headlight. So first it says, before starting, if applicable, open the hood for easier access to the headlights. We already did that. Wash headlights thoroughly with any type of car soap and rinse well. Well, I recently washed this car, so I think it should be fine. I don't feel any dust on it. It said put on supplied gloves, so let me just go ahead and do that. Doesn't fit perfect, but I think it will work. As I said, I have really big hands. So my first wipe, and they said we should go in a circular motion. We'll check to see. As you can see, it's getting yellow. I think this headlight is getting cleaner already, so that is good. That is a good look, guys. That is a good look. So far, we're going to turn and use the next side. Maybe that will help if we use the next side also. This side is yellow also. Gonna just use a little extra and get in those groove right there. And now we'll discard this wipe and go on to the next one, because this one gets yellow. So discard it and on to the next wipes. Again in a circular motion. You can see this one is getting yellow also. I think I'm impressed with what I'm seeing so far. Gonna use the next side. Gonna get up right by this area. I don't think I'm doing this area enough. Gonna discard this one. As you can see, it's yellow, So I'm gonna discard it and go to the third one. Gonna do some of this area up here. This one also getting yellow. Get some of these area right here. Turn and use the other side. I'm not sure if you guys are seeing the result right in front of your eyes like I am seeing it. I'm already impressed with what I see so far. Trust me guys, I am. This wipe, yellow, and I'll go on to the next one. So this is the final wipe for this headlight. So yeah, I got 4 for each. This is the final one for this one. I will be only showing you the demonstration with one wipe. Only one wipe I'll be showing you the demonstration. Well, not one wipe, only one headlight, sorry. So one light, I'll be showing you the demonstration with one light. And this one is also yellow. As they say, I should not be worried if it is still yellow on my fourth wipe, because step 2 will remove the oxidization. So now let's go to step 2. So the next thing is to rinse thoroughly. So I'm gonna use my spray that I created. And rinse him thoroughly. Then I think this should be good. And I will go on to step 2. Alright, so they say for 2 minutes. So we're gonna wet the pad and wet here and scrub in a non-circular motion. So to ensure that it is wet at all times. And I think I can see the oxidization coming off. Yes, I think I can see it. Ensure that I'm keeping this wet. Get these area. Try not to get the paint, because this is like a sandpaper, so I don't want to rub my paint off. Not sure how far I am in. It says for 2 to 3 minutes. More water. Within that 2 to 3 minutes, I'm ensuring that I'm covering all the areas. And remember, it's in a non-circular motion. Put some water. Few seconds to go. I don't really care much about this area right here because it's not showing. Okay, so I think this should be good. Now I'm going to switch and use the gray disc. This one was even already coming off. So this is my gray disc. Put my gray disc on. Sure to apply some water. And then I'm going to start the process again. So same thing again, guys, with this, with the gray disc this time. Oh, I think I discover a problem right here where the disc is falling from the sticky thing right there, and this seems like a major problem. But I'm gonna see if I can just use my bare hands and rub it. It's a bit difficult, so I guess this is a flaw with this kit. Don't sure why that happened. It was going so good. It's not that easy when it's not on this tool thing. Don't know what it's called, but nonetheless, I am still doing what I can do. Think sometime I'm missing out on this point that is close to me right here. Get on this point right here. Trying to find a way to make it. Sorry, I started rubbing circular right there. That's a error on my part. Almost forget. I think that should be about 3 minutes now. So even though probably I should have rubbed it a little longer since the thing gets messed up. So I think that's that right there. So time to rinse it off. And they say it should be clouded after this step. Should be cloudy. Well, I was expecting my glass to be a bit cleaner, but nonetheless, it's much better than it was. Much better than it was. Because I don't think it's going to get much cleaner after this step. I think the other step is just to add the ceramic coating to make it shine and to protect it from further damage or to go back to this state. If I can rub it a bit. Not sure if I should do that, but oh well. Rinse thoroughly. And after you rinse thoroughly, you're gonna ensure you dry it, because step 3 doesn't work with water any at all. Area must be completely dry. It does has the cloudy look. It's not looking like brand new, but it's looking much better. Much better. Now I'm going to leave it to hair dry a little.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, now I'm back. The sun has setted. The sun set, so I hope this is not affecting the quality of the video, because I'm not using any ring light. I want to use natural light. So let me just go ahead and see if I can do this quickly. Do this as quickly as possible. See if I can get some of this natural lighting before it ends. So from top to bottom. Wow, how do I do this now? Sometimes I miss some of the areas, so I have to double coat it, which they clearly said I should not. But if I miss the area, I want to ensure that I go over it. So I'm clearly not following instructions. I'm making some double coating. So this is my after. I think it looks pretty good. Very shiny. While putting on the ceramic coating, I think I should have had a little more gentleness. Hopefully I can be more gentle with the next headlamp. It has a shine, glossy look. I think I'm pleased. What do you guys think? I think I am pleased. Wow, it's even prettier on the video. Wow. I think I'm pleased, guys. I can't complain. I think I'm very much pleased. So there you have it, guys. This was another video brought to you by Dana's Electrical Services. For more videos like these, please feel free to subscribe to my channel at Dana's Electrical Services. Thank you.